What if I told you sound could create light? Not with magic, not with electricity, but with nothing more than a tiny bubble in water. Welcome to Inkwell Labs. Today, we're diving into one of physics' strangest mysteries, sonoluminescence. At first glance, it sounds impossible. We know sound as vibrations, voices, music, echoes. But under the right conditions, sound can do something extraordinary. Imagine a bubble in a glass of water, collapsing so violently under acoustic pressure that it flashes with light. This phenomenon is called sonoluminescence, literally, light from sound. Here's how it works. Intense sound waves trap tiny bubbles inside a liquid. The bubble expands, then suddenly implodes with incredible force. For a fraction of a second, the conditions inside are extreme, the temperature soars higher than the surface of the sun, and pressures skyrocket. That violent collapse produces a tiny, dazzling burst of light. Scientists sometimes call it a micro-meltdown. To put it simply, it's like squeezing the air inside a balloon so hard, it briefly shines like a star. Researchers have recreated sonoluminescence in the lab using a flask, water, and a device called a transducer to generate sound waves. It looks simple, but inside, the physics are wild. Each flash of light lasts less than a trillionth of a second. And the glow is not just visible, it spans a broad spectrum, from ultraviolet to visible light. That means these bubbles, smaller than a grain of sand, behave like miniature suns. Yet despite decades of study, the exact mechanism behind the light is still debated. Why should we care about tiny bubbles glowing in the dark? Because the possibilities are massive. Some researchers believe sonoluminescence could one day lead to a form of clean energy, something like cold fusion, where collapsing bubbles release fusion-level energy. It's controversial, but the dream is alive. Others explore real-world uses right now, purifying water, creating new materials, even advancing medical ultrasound imaging. This little flash could inspire big innovations. But here's the twist, we still don't fully understand sonoluminescence. Is it nuclear? Is it plasma? Is it simply extreme physics at play? The truth is, science doesn't have all the answers, and that's what makes it so exciting. Each bubble collapse is like a message from nature, powerful, mysterious, and waiting to be decoded. From the sound of a wave to the spark of light, sonoluminescence reminds us that the universe is full of hidden wonders. What do you think? Could sound one day power the world? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more scientific mysteries with Inkwell Labs. Until next time, stay curious and keep experimenting.
Wow. Amazing. What a discovery. Give this video a big thumbs up to show your love for science.
Don't forget to share it with your friends and classmates so we can all explore the wonders of Inkwell Labs together.